We have seen hundreds of these amazing footages every day on advertisements, films, TV shows, documentaries, and on many social media platforms. Most video creators and digital marketers uses these videos to promote brands and products. But how do we get these stock videos? There are two methods. One is to film it yourself, which will take you a lot of time, effort, and skills which you may not have to produce one short clip. Second method is to get these video footages from stock video sites. So today I will be sharing with you how you can get these high quality and high definition stock videos for free for your video marketing needs. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies, and tools for building your profitable online business. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. One of the best tools that help to create professional marketing videos are to use stock videos or footages. I use these for my online businesses, job servicing business, my video contents on YouTube and Facebook, as well as for all my advertisements. These footages are very useful in helping you to tell a better story. It enhances your story. It allows you to fill up the gaps of your video projects, makes your video very professional looking. It saves you a lot of time because you do not need to film them yourself. It keeps the video more interesting because sometimes it gets boring watching one scene for the entire video. So you need to cover it with a more interesting footage. And lastly, it costs much more lower because you do not need to shoot it yourself. There are quite a few sites that you can get these stock videos. Most of these sites you can download the videos for free, and some you need to pay for the subscription or buy the videos. Some of these video footages you need to get the license in order for you to use it for commercial purposes. The sites that I like to use to get these free stock videos are Pexels.com and Pixabay.com. Please note that I'm not sponsored by any of these sites. Their free library is huge. 100% free for commercial use with no attribution needed. Both of these sites are very user-friendly. You can preview each of the video footages. Some other sites do not have this feature. So right now I'm on Pexels.com, and this site will give you stock videos for free. So you can see that they have also professional photographs, stock photos, and also videos. So let's try to search for restaurant. Once you need to search for specific videos, you can search the keywords on the keyword bar, and then once the result is out, you can click on the videos. So they have photos, videos. So one thing I like about this site is because it can preview. When you hover your cursor over, you can preview the videos. Every video looks very good and is very high definition. It's all taken professionally. So for example, you want to download this one, just click on here. They do have other suggested similar videos for you. You can click on free download. So as you can see, it is downloading pretty quickly, and we can use this for our own use and also for commercial use. So you do not need to purchase any license for the videos. All photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. This is very important because the videos that you're going to use, you do not need to credit back to the owner, to the video's owner, alright? So giving credit to the photographer or Pexels is not necessary but always appreciated. So they highly suggest you to appreciate their work, so you can give them a credit if you want. So you can modify the photos and videos from Pexels, be creative and edit them as you like. So that is why I like to use Pexels.com, because in terms of copyright, I won't need to worry anything about copyright. So I can use this freely on my website, on my YouTube videos and other social media sites. Now let us check out Pixabay.com. Pixabay.com have the same features, which I like because I can also preview the videos. So okay, let us type restaurant as well, the same one, and we will see they give us a lot of photos. So what we want is videos. You can select from the drop down button here and select videos, and all of these can be previewed. Yeah. So some sites I encounter do not have this preview window. You can't really view all these because otherwise you have to click into it one by one. So by one glance, I know what I want, and it is really saved me a lot of time. So this is the same. You just need to click free downloads, and you can even choose the resolution of the video. For Pexels.com and Pixabay.com, both have high definition videos. These stock videos have upped the game of my video content creation, and it has bring my video content to the next level. I hope today's video can help you to bring your video creation to the next level as well. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!